Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to report bad apps and scams in the App Store on your iPhone. Apple is known for being on the front foot regarding user security, and its App Store's app review policy is no different. However, even the most written policies can have loopholes, and it is common for scammers and fraudsters to exploit them and publish fraudulent apps. Thus, malicious app scams or misleading applications occasionally slip through an app on the App Store. So in this video I'll tell you how can you report them. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing is reporting a scam app from the App Store. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone. Locate and tap on the app you want to file a report against to access its description page. Next, scroll down to the information section. And then tap on report a problem under it. You will be redirected to Apple's Report a Problem webpage. Next, sign in with your Apple ID. Next, tap the drop-down menu icon next to the I would like to text. And then choose an appropriate option. Request a refund, report a quality issue, report a scam or fraud, or report offensive, illegal or abusive contact. And then hit next. And you are done. And the next step is reporting a scam app via Apple's Report a Problem page. This is also a nice approach for those who prefer using a Mac over an iPhone. Simply go to Safari and visit Apple Report a Problem webpage and sign in with your Apple account. And do the same steps. Finally, describe your issue and hit the submit button, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to report bad apps and scams in the App Store on your iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.